Today we're going to review the first alert smoke detector. We're going to put in an existing smoke detector, which is up there. Okay? It chirps all the time and it's traveling my entire family crazy. Okay, so here we go. It comes like this. All we need to do is we push it and we get this thing out. We discard it, and then all we need to do is push the sides in. And it's already activated.
Great.
Okay, we press it.
Nice.
And it should work. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that one out.
And we're gonna undo it.
I'm talking.
Fine. Fine.
I'm going to take this one out. Okay. Okay. Push this in. That. Now this one, battery should last 10 years. Should.
Wow.
We're gonna just loosen a little bit on the screw. We turn it, and we should get this plate out. So, come over here.
Now he's going to undo maybe that one.
Okay. So, this is the one that comes with the new unit. Okay. So
And
all we need to do is position it there.
oh, and which unit does it comes on?
Okay, we give it a little twist.
So, if I may ask you this question, which new unit is it?
This is the first alert.
Bought
on Amazon.
Nice.
Roughly 10 years. So, all we do is we twist it. Then we press. It works. We're done.
So you can buy it on Amazon, or maybe if you find it on eBay.
Oh, by the way,
Well,
I have no affiliation with the owners or whatever, whoever sells the units. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, just to let you know.
So you could
Thank you.
buy it on Amazon, or even if you buy it on eBay. Well, if you need it,
I don't think eBay. It's.
I don't know.
My son is saying eBay, but I don't think it's eBay.
Don't mention
I'll buy it on Amazon.
Don't mention.
Alright. Cut it out.